it's Adrienne. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing another Snapchat and Instagram type of video. Basically, I am showing you guys a lot of the new font life hacks and other Snapchat hacks and Instagram hacks, and I'm also like comparing all the new features because I don't know about you, but all of these new updates are confusing to me. There are so many new features, and can we talk about how Snapchat, the update is just like, I hate it. I just hate that I have to like really dig and search for people's stories. Like I want to just have a whole list of all my best friends that I can just see their stories really easily like before. So this is really bothering me. So I'm still kind of trying to decide which one I like better, Instagram stories versus Snapchat stories. Comment down below and let me know what you guys like better. I'm gonna decide which one I like better. So if you wanna know, then just keep watching. Also, I'm sitting on my brand new, really comfy looove mattress. They were awesome and sent me a new one for my new house, which as you can see, I have done a little bit more decor, which is in the background. So I'm actually gonna do a full review on this mattress at the end of this video. So definitely stay tuned till the end to find out what I think, and I will give you guys a special little discount code as well. And I've been vlogging this whole entire move and kind of decorating my room and getting new furniture and stuff. So if you guys want to see my moving vlogs, I will link a playlist down below as well. Check that out. And obviously, since we're talking about Instagram and Snapchat, if you guys want to follow me on both, here are my usernames. Shameless self-promo, obviously. And the last thing is that my giveaway with Dote is now closed, but I'm doing another giveaway with Morgan, my roommate, obviously Morgan Yates. We're doing a spring favorites giveaway and the items are so lit. So if you want to enter that, click the link also down below. And without further ado, you guys, let's get into this video. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is fonts. Both Snapchat and Instagram have rolled out new fonts for their stories lately, which I think is awesome because before there was like no choice and it kind of sucked. So starting with Snapchat, we're gonna look at their fonts. Ignore the microphone. So Snapchat now has 13 different types of fonts, which is really awesome in my opinion. However, I don't really like all of them. So we got the big text, glow, rainbow. That one's pretty cool. Italics, this one's for sure my favorite because you can like change all the colors and stuff. We got gradient, which I just don't really love. Script, I really like. Brush is my absolute favorite. Fancy, Old English, nah. Comic Sans. We learned in screenwriting that Comic Sans is actually the worst font ever to exist, and you should never, ever, ever use it, especially on a professional document. And serif, which is kind of plain. I kind of like that one, and Cooper. So they have a lot of font options, but they're not my favorite. One of the cool features though is that you can type now multiple times. So you can actually have different fonts and you can say different things instead of what it used to be, which was just you could only do like one thing of text. So if I want to kind of, you know, go like this, then I can. Moving on to Instagram, they also have new fonts. So they only have 4, but I actually do like all of these fonts way better. So here are the fonts that we get to choose from. We got the classic, of course, modern, we got neon, typewriter, and strong. So my favorite, I think, again, is strong. I really like how this looks. Subscribe. So I really like that you can add multiple type layers on both Snapchat and Instagram, but I would say Instagram wins with the fonts on here. I just think that they're better fonts, and that's it. And a quick little hack for Instagram stories. If you actually go to the type mode, normally you would just have these options for different colors, right? But if you actually want to take a picture and put a little filter on that, you can actually click on the camera button. Hello, guys. And then you can put your fonts. You can even still put filters on top of it. So that's kind of just a cool random thing you can do. I kind of like that. You can also do that for a video. Moving on to colors for the fonts. So I have done a Snapchat video in the past and Instagram stories video that I'll link down below where I talked about how you can actually hack the font colors. I'm gonna show you guys a quick hack and also kind of analyze which one's better, Snapchat or Instagram. So my favorite hack is to be able to put different colors on different letters of the word. And so on Snapchat, this is how you would do it. So this only works on some of the fonts on Snapchat, but basically what you would do if you go to script, for example, you highlight the whole entire word and then you drag this thing back while you change the color. So you can kind of make your own little rainbowy word, I guess. So I really like that, but you can only do them on some of the fonts. You can do it on Brush, Script. I thought you could do it on Big Text, but I guess you can't. You can do it on Old English. You can do it on Comic Sans, Serif, and Cooper VT. You can kind of like choose the color scheme more so if you want. So that's kind of cool. Right? Okay. With Instagram, you can do it with every single font. And how you do it for Instagram is you highlight it again the same way, then you hold, like you force touch any of these colors, and it brings up this little color wheel. And then again, you just like drag it across at the same time. And as you can see, you actually can do this with any of the, fonts. Isn't that pretty? Okay, note to self, hold down the text thing before you hold down the font thing. Isn't that cool? Hello. So what's cool is you can do this even with background colors. So like, let's say we have pink on it. You can still make colors even with a background color. Another thing you can do is only put a background on part of it. If you put this on the whole thing, it'll be on the whole thing. So say you take it off and you only want to put it on the A, then you just simply hold this little swipey thingy over the A and then click on the color, like so. So that's a pretty cool little neat little hack. So again, I would say that Instagram probably wins this one just because I like the fonts better and you can just more easily change the color. Good job, Instagram. But the next little feature I want to talk about is changing the margins of the text. So on both Snapchat and Instagram, you can actually change the margins of the text. So all you do is like hold your thumb while you're on the type mode. You hold your thumb and drag it to the left or drag it to the center. The only thing about this is that you can't go to the right, which I mean, I don't know why I would want to, but it's just kind of annoying. Like, why didn't you just add it? So if I want it to be on the left, I do that. If I want it to be at the center, I do that, right? Okay. Instagram also does this, and they actually make it a lot easier. In the upper left-hand corner, they have like a little margin button, so you can just push left, right, middle, left, right, middle. And if you slide this thing up or down, you can decide like how broken up you want it, which I also just think is cool. So this one's a lot more customizable. So again, I choose you, Instagram. So far, Instagram's slaying, but you may be surprised by the results at the end. That was really cryptic. I don't know what that meant. Moving on to lenses and starting with Snapchat. Snapchat has been very known for their lenses. When they first came out, everyone was obsessed. Does everyone remember the rainbow puke? Apparently you can get it now, like limited edition. You can only buy it. Ugh. So anyway, starting with Snapchat, you have a whole wide array of lenses and they're all really pretty because let's admit, the reason people use lenses is pretty much to make their skin look better and to make themselves look really freaking good, which is kind of messed up, but whatever. Just filming a video about Snapchat lenses. What else we got? Oh, this is cute. Okay, then we have like the funny ones, of course. So overall, there are just like so many freaking options and they're all really, really cute. Oh, I spoke too soon. And the best, face swapping. I'm gonna face swap with myself. Okay, that worked pretty well. Going on to Instagram, it's so confusing. Like, why are some things so good and other things are so bad? So when we click on the lenses on Instagram, I just don't love them. Oh, okay, that's not creepy at all. Yeah, this one's fine. This one's like the only one that's fine, but it doesn't really do anything. This one's okay too, but it's just random. I don't know why. It's been on here forever. These ones are funny, but just weird. So if I frown, will it be a smile? So yeah, I'm just like not a fan. That one's okay. So Snapchat for sure wins this one with flying colors, 100%. I also forgot to tell you that on Snapchat, you can make your own lenses and filters now. You used to just be able to make your own geo filters, but if you go up to your settings, and you click on filters and lenses, you can click on lens and actually design a custom lens. Let's do a celebration one. This one's cute. Let's say happy birthday, Adrienne. It's not my birthday. Cute. And then you just like decide when you want to do it. So that's pretty cool. Again, Snapchat wins. Moving on to filters, Snapchat is just so basic. They have never added anything else. I'm honestly shocked that they haven't. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is it for filters, okay? No, thank you, I'm good. Instagram though has 13. So they definitely have way more choices and I like them a lot better. They're just good, they're just better. So Instagram definitely wins the filters 1000%. Again, it's just so funny how like some are good, some are bad, some of these features on each. It's like, get your life together, why can't you be good on everything? Then again, like Instagram totally copied Snapchat with the lenses, so that's probably why they're bad. Moving on to video modes, Snapchat has basically normal, reverse, which is kind of cool. I really like reverse. They have fast, they have like medium fast, and they have slow. So that's pretty cool. Instagram, on the other hand, doesn't have any video modes, but they do have boomerang, which we all know and love. They also have super zoom. And they do have rewind, okay. They have hands-free, which is super nice, and they have stop motion. Cute, right? Oh, this is tough, but I honestly think Instagram wins again because I like all these different modes. And the last thing we're gonna talk about is the stickers slash like little things you can put on your snap. So on Snapchat, we have a wide array. We got the time, temperature, all that kind of stuff. And they actually have a ton of options. They have Bitmoji, they have GIFs, I don't know, GIFs. They also just have like so many. I like these arrows for like, you know, video promo and whatnot. Oh, and you can tap to pin something. I always forget about that. So they have a ton of options. I'm honestly a big fan. Like they have so many. Are you kidding me? Flicks and chill. So yeah, Instagram on the other hand, they also have the basics like temperature, time, all that. They do have GIFs, which we can search for like arrow, but they're just not as cute, you know? And then they don't actually have like a wide array of stickers. I've seen these same stickers for actually ever, and then they just have emojis. So they really don't have a whole lot, so Snapchat wins this. Hands down. So overall, I guess I think that Instagram wins. It's just tough because I like them both a lot. If only Instagram had better lenses, that's like the only thing I really think is missing because the filters are better, everything else is just better, the fonts. And honestly, the fact that they were first to get the new fonts kind of put them ahead, so Good job, Instagram. All right, guys, that was my take on kind of Instagram versus Snapchat, these new hacks and font features and everything like that. So maybe now you can decide which one you want to use more. And let me know which one you do use more, and let me know your usernames so I can follow it. What's up, guys? It's me from my bed, my brand new looove mattress. Why am I working out? So as promised, I'm going to give a little review on my mattress because I'm obsessed. Excuse the lack of decor above the bed. I'm still working on that. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know how awesome this mattress is and how easy the process of getting it and setting it up was. The reason this is important to me to share with you guys is because if you followed me last year, I did a whole entire video series on sleep health and mattresses and like the importance of not cleaning your mattress, but getting a new mattress every 8 years and things like that. So I was coming up on that time when I needed a new mattress, and looove was the company that I chose because I just love everything they stand for. I love the branding. I've sat on a mattress before. It was super comfortable. I really liked it. My roommate Morgan has one as well. So I was just a big fan. The delivery was super, super easy, and it had free shipping, which is so nice because this mattress, as you probably can imagine, was very, very heavy. So it came in this awesome box, and I basically just was able to lay it on the floor and roll out the mattress so easily, and I can't even tell you how easy it was. It just went from being rolled up in a box to laying out on my floor perfectly fine, obviously before I had a bed frame. The other thing I loved is that buying a mattress is a big commitment, especially if it's an expensive mattress. You really want to make sure that you like the mattress, and sure, you can sit on it and lay on it, but are you really gonna know unless you try it actually overnight? No. So what I really love about looove is they let you have 100 nights for free with the mattress, and you can have a free return if you don't love it, if you're not satisfied, which I just think is really important and really great customer service, because if I didn't like it, I wouldn't want to have to like deal with selling this and getting someone to pick it up or like throwing it away. It's such a waste of money. So all in all, I'm really a big fan of this mattress. It looks really good. It has this awesome protective cover that they also sent me, so that's something I learned as well to help keep all the germs and gross bacteria from like seeping into your mattress and bed bugs and all of that kind of stuff. Those mattress protectors are really awesome. So I have this great mattress protector. I have the mattress. I have gotten a sound night's sleep every single night. You can ask Morgan. She's had to wake me up every morning. But that's how comfy I am. So thank you so much, looove, for sending me this mattress, for sponsoring this video, and just letting me really take my sleep to the next level. And if you guys are interested in purchasing a looove mattress, which I highly recommend, then you can use my link, which is in the description box, to get $50 off, which is super awesome. So yeah, check it out if you guys are interested. Let your parents know, let your friends know. Anyone who's trying to get a new mattress, let them know. But 10 out of 10 from me, and that's my review. That's it for today's video. I love you guys so much. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.